Hi, for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to remove the phrase powered by that is located at the bottom of your Shopify store page. But before we begin with the tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's begin. Upon opening your Shopify account, go to Online Store and click the eye icon that says View Your Online Store. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and here you'll find the words Powered by Shopify. Now, to remove this, just simply go back to the main page, click on Online Store, and select Themes. Here you'll see all of the themes you have for your store. So now just click on the three dots right here and select Edit Default Theme Content. Then proceed to the filter box and type in Powered by. This will help you find all of the systems in your theme that consist of the words powered by. With this, head on to the links box and press space. This will help you remove the powered by Shopify on your main account. To check, just go back and view your online store and see if it has been removed. Well, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.